Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here to share my Bank Nifty analysis for expiry day which is on 29th of October. So let's start with the analysis guys. First of all, what we will do, we will draw the upper trend line by connecting high low, okay? Then after we'll draw the down trend line by connecting lower high, right? Now we will look forward for the price action thing. So what we are getting from this daily time frame analysis, that despite of being heavy selling made by bears on 28th of October, they were not able to break the low point of 26th of October. Why? Because there is a huge demand zone over, over downside. So whenever bears try to push near this zone, bulls came into the picture and they try to push upside only. So I hope you are clear till now guys. So now for deep analysis, we are going to the hour time frame. So on hourly time frame, first of all, we will adjust the trend line first, right? Now what we will do, we will mark the support and resistance zone first. First we will mark the support resistance zone, right? So 24,368 is first resistance. Second resistance is near 24,449. Then after, third resistance is near 24,560. Why we mark this as a resistance? Because multiple time rejection is there here, here, and here too. Okay, I hope you are getting something. Now we will marking the support zone. So first support zone is near 24,170. Second support zone is near 24,080. Third support zone is near 23,900. And if that too broken, then last support zone is near 23,000. Right, 660. Okay. Why we mark the fourth support zone? Because as global cues are in red zone, almost all global indices are down right now. So I hope you are clear till now. Now we will look forward for the price action thing. Okay. So what we are getting from this hourly analysis, that we will look first from 21st October, then 21st to 28th October. So from 21st to 28th October, this trend line is perfectly respected as some kind of triangular pattern forming. I hope you are getting. So whatever you are getting, that despite of being fall till down, again bulls came and again fall, and again I'm expecting that bulls will take to the upside only. For deep analysis, we will go to the 30-minute time frame. But first of all, why I'm expecting gap up opening, that at this point hammer kind of formation is there. At this point also hammer kind of formation is there. At this point when hammer is made, bulls take to the upside only, right? And again this hammer formation near trend line. So I am expecting upside movement only. I hope you are clear till now. Now we will go to the 30-minute time frame. So after looking at this chart, what we are getting, that whenever market falls, it made a V-shaped recovery, and again it falls and it made a V-shaped recovery again. So here also some kind of W pattern formation is there. So why am even not W kind of formation, but there is a support near trend line also. If we looking perfectly, then it looks like pin bar or hammer kind of formation near support. So I am expecting gap up opening. So what will be this? What will be our strategy for 29th of October? If gap up opening is there till 24th 450, and if sustain above that for all, at least 30 minutes, then going long is good opportunity till 25,000 or even about 25,000. But if not sustain and close below this, then going short is good opportunity till 2480. If that too broken, then 23,900, and if that too broken, then 23,660. I am expecting maximum point till this 23,660. Sorry, guys. So I hope you are clear with my analysis, guys. This analysis for 29th of October only. I am completed with my analysis. I hope you will. I hope you learn. I hope you learn something from here. I hope I did justify your time. Then please like the video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, guys. I am signing off. Bye bye.